If you're a musician looking to share your music with the world, creating a Spotify artist account is a great first step. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up your very own Spotify artist account. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have a Spotify account. If you don't already have one, go to the Spotify website or app and sign up. Once you have your personal Spotify account, head over to Spotify for Artists. You can do this by typing Spotify for Artists or directly going to artist.spotify.com. Now click on Get Access to start the process of claiming your artist profile. Now log in using your credentials. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. After logging it, you'll need to claim your artist profile. Click your artist profile and search for your artist name. Make sure it matches the name you're using for your music. If your artist name appears, select it. If it doesn't, you'll need to submit a request for Spotify to verify and add your artist name to the system. Once you've selected your artist profile, Spotify will ask you to verify your identity. This typically involves providing details such as your artist's social media accounts or a link to your official website. After verification, it may take a few days for Spotify to review your request and grant you access. You'll receive an email notification once your artist profile is live. And that's it. You're now ready to share your music with millions of Spotify users.